Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can generate insane AI art just using Midjourney. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's begin. So first of all, open a browser of your choice and search for Midjourney. Open the first site that comes up and simply log in with your account. Now if you don't have any account, if you don't have a Midjourney account, then simply create one so that you can continue along. And after logging in, click on this button, join beta. It will automatically redirect you to your Discord, and you will have to authorize it to access your servers. After authorization is completed, open your Discord and go over to Midjourney server. Here on the left side menu, select one of the newbie text channel and you will see this type of interface. To generate AI art, simply type in /imagine and select the first command that comes up. Then a prompt section will display. Here type in the command of your image, and if you don't have something in your mind, then just you can copy other prompts and then use your creativity to develop it. And after entering the prompt, press enter, and in a couple of seconds you'll get your results. And that's how you can generate insane AI arts just using Midjourney. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.